Hey, this is Chap Nova. This is video 8, the ultimate guest posting checklist. 100% free. All you got to do is click right here, click on add to cart, and it will take you and you'll be able to get it for 100% free. This is from our plrproductsforsale.com website. Like I said in the last videos, we decided to put these together. We had a lot of people for the past few months, contacting us, asking us different questions. And it made it a lot easier because we would just keep replying to these people, telling them different things, helping them. And, finally we decided to create 20 different checklists that help in all different areas in marketing. So that's why we did this next one right here, the ultimate guest posting checklist. And not to mention and stuff like that, you can actually give these to friends and family that are interested in online business too, pass them out. Like I said, we made these to help you guys and even to build your business. You could even create an opt-in page, and you could actually give this away for free. Do whatever you want with it. We're here to help you. And like I said, if you want to learn more about, what this particular one's about, the ultimate guest posting checklist, you can read below. But what I always do is I always come right over here and I start right here. It says, this is a step-by-step guide packed with proven strategies to help you research relevant blogs, create compelling pitches, optimize guest posts for SEO, engage with new audience, and leverage backlinks for authority building. Okay, basically, ultimate guest posting checklist. What it is when you have a website, you want to build your website and you want to start doing guest posting on other people's sites to start building backlinks for your site and to get more traffic. Okay, so this will kind of give you a step-by-step on what you should be doing. That's why it's called a checklist, a guide, just to kind of make sure it leads you in the right direction, to get backlinks for your website. That's why it's called guest posting, and it will really help you a lot, okay? And a lot of people are willing, especially with ChatGPT out there now, if you know what you're doing, you can actually write good articles that you can actually use to do the guest posting on these people's sites. You're going to have to do, not just copy and paste. You're going to have to, prompt, ask questions, and actually make the content really good. But like I said, in this day and age with AI, it is so easy to do a lot of this stuff. Okay. So again, this is Chap Nova. If you ever have any kind of questions, in the comments area below this video, post them there and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Again, we are here to help. Please, like I said, we spend a lot of time on doing these different, checklists. Share these on like Facebook, Twitter, X, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Reddit, and other ones. Even this video, you can post below this video. You can click on them in this YouTube area. This is actually on the website where you can actually set up, and get this particular product, the ultimate guest posting checklist. But share this with people. You can give it to people. Like I told you, you can download this and give it to friends and family that you think it would help. Or like I said, we would be honored and thankful if you would post these on your social media accounts to help other people. Okay. Not to mention, not just this particular one. Let's say you're not interested in, guest posting and, growing your website authority and getting more traffic, which you should be, because more traffic equals more subscribers and more sales for you. But there'll be a link below this video that you can click on that obviously you'll get this one right here, the ultimate guest posting checklist. And this one right here, this is where you see the other 20. Okay. So you can click on any of these right here. And like I said, you can click on all of them and download them all. What I would do is, if you do it that way, make sure you have a plan, because you don't want to have information overload that you just download it and then you never look at it again after today. Okay. If I could give you, some pointers today and, things that could help you is, pick one thing that you want to do and just go all hearted out with it. And, because if you're doing 5 or 6 or 10 or even 3 or 2 different things, it's a lot of things to, take care of if you're working on multiple projects. So pick one thing, pick one of these that maybe, you think is the best one that can help in your business now, and then come back, cause like I said, you can, click right here, and add it to one of your favorites, and you can come back here and you can download these. These are free. We're keeping them here. We're not going to charge for them. They're 100% free. But just go at your pace so, you don't get overwhelmed with things, because that's what, we want you to do. We want you to not get overwhelmed, and we want you to move forward and have a successful online business. If you ever have any kind of questions too, you can come over here to our support for the PLR products for sale.com website. We'll answer questions there too. But below this video, add your comments, questions, anything you need help with, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much again. Make sure you share this to as many people as you can. And I hope this really helps your business, take it to the next level with this ultimate guest posting checklist. That's 100% free. Thanks again. This is Chap Orno. Have yourself a great day.